Miui 10 includes various design changes and additions such as AI portrait mode, revamped Sense menu, gestures, and an improved notification center. The new Miui 10 is aimed at improved performance, making proper use of the bigger full screen display and software-based AI portrait mode. Switch from one app to another has been made quite simple with Xiaomi's Miui 10 update. Here users need to scroll apps vertically to view all the recently accessed apps, unlike Miui 9 where the users need to scroll horizontally. The two-column layout allows you to access at least 4 different recent apps similar to what you might have seen on the Apple iPad with iOS 11. In terms of updates in the sound options, the Miui 10 Global ROM gets natural sounds and ambient noises. Moreover, a new water droplet sound has been added for notifications. And according to Xiaomi, no two notification sounds on Miui 10 are the same. Miui 10 also includes new features aimed at Indian users such as the ability to scan Paytm QR codes from the camera app. To provide better camera experience, Xiaomi has introduced portrait mode for several older devices including the Mi 5 and Mi Mix 2, which comes with a single rear camera. In Miui 10, the camera software makes use of the latest algorithms to differentiate between the subject and background, thus creating a bokeh effect. Artificial intelligence will be used to improve performance by analyzing app usage of the user and preload the apps according to it. The company says this feature would reduce uploading times up to 0 in some cases. Xiaomi brought its first full-screen gesture through Miui 9.5 update, and now the Miui 10 brings few others. Users can now swipe from left or right and hold for a couple of seconds to switch to previous app they were using. This is similar to quick switch feature from stock Android. Miui 10 is based on Android 8.0 Oreo. This will be disappointing to Miui fans as it is not based on Android P, which is already officially released by Google.